Hey guys, and welcome in another tip in our mobile workflow series from Digital Classroom. Today, a tip about color manipulation with Colorbalance, but slightly different than you might think. So let's head up to Photoshop on the iPad Pro and let's see what we can do with some freaky colors. Okay, we are in Photoshop. We have our image here. Let's start with an adjustment layer. Now in this case, we're going to do an adjustment layer with, yes, color balance. Now we all know that color balance is very important for your image, right? It determines how your image looks. In Photoshop, you can literally change this to, for example, cyan or magenta green or blue. But as you can see now, it does work as a creative tool, but it's not what it's not really what you want. You want something that's a little bit more dynamic, right? So go for your blend modes and go for example, soft light. Now you will see soft light a lot in my work. Now, as you can see now, it gets that color out a little bit. So let's bring that back in. So go for color balance, but now you can see that we can make it much nicer. It's not like we change the color temperature, it's literally like we're changing the hues in the image. It gives you a totally different look. There we go. Of course, you can also choose for, again, your normal mode. But in my opinion, it's not really where the strong point lies. Or you can go for example, hard light. But in this case, you could also choose, for example, lighten. And now when you change stuff, it's really subtle, as you can see, but mostly on your highlights. Now, you can also go for, of course, your darken. There you go. Now when you change it, you can see that it changes totally different. So by using your blending modes and your color balance, you can literally just change the whole look of your image. You can preserve luminosity. So this is a really powerful trick to give your images just a little bit of extra look or oomph that you want. And again, play with those blending modes. They have a huge difference on your image. And personally, again, mostly for me, it's soft light. Okay, so that was the tip with color balance for color manipulation. Now, as you can see, it's really easy to do this, just like the other examples, like levels and black and white conversions using for color manipulation. It's stuff that you may or may not think about for manipulating your colors. But as you can see in these examples, they are really powerful. So enjoy this tip and use it in your own work. But most of all, hit that bell notification to get a notification when we upload something new. Smash that like button, but most of all, tell other people about our channel so we can grow. Thank you so very much, guys, and feel free to leave suggestions or questions below. See you next time. Bye bye.